Hey crochet besties, this new prelude ocean wave crochet here that I've been seeing on Amazon is looking real cute. I ain't seen nobody with it, so I had to come on here and try it out myself and show y'all what I installed.
I 100% recommend this blow dryer. If y'all don't got this blow dryer, y'all need to get one ASAP. Ain't no more putting, got one brush in your hand and in the other hand you got the blow dryer trying to do both. This hand. So y'all see this side blown out, okay? Real good. I can read my fingers through it. I'll probably go back in and but I just wanted y'all to see the difference on how quick that was. So the foundation I'm about to do, this is gonna be my foundation for the next 4 hairstyles that I show y'all. So yeah, keep that in mind. Let's get into it. So I gotta look in the mirror.
In this moment, I am parting out 3 sections in my head, 2 sections in the front and 1 section in the back. The 2 sections in the front will be cornrows going straight to the back, while in the back I'll have horizontal braids, and I believe I did 4 horizontal braids. If y'all already don't have this gel pen, get you one ASAP. I highly recommend it. It comes in good use, okay, for myself and when I'm doing my clients here.
So I did 5 on this side and I'm gonna do 5 on this side. So now I'm done with the front. I got 10 braids going across, 5 on this side, 5 on that side. This should be fairly easy for y'all to remember when you're doing your own hair. 5 on this side, 5 on this side. We'll see at the end like what if it don't turn out as nice or what I could have done different, or we'll see because it's an experiment. So let's see. Now it's time to go to the back. Woo, good scratch.
When I started on my first horizontal braid in the back, I added those cornrows to the horizontal braid and just braid and add as I go. Now when it's time to get to the next braid, I part it, of course, part out my next braid and I think of it as a zigzag. Like I braid in a zigzag. So that braid, the first horizontal braid was going to the left. Now the next horizontal braid, I'm gonna braid it going to the right. And the braid after that is gonna be braided going to the left. And then the braid after that will be braided going to the right. So yeah, think of it as braiding in a zigzag.
This is the hair. It came with 8 bags, and I got a color 1B, and this is a 14-inch. So yeah, let's see, let's see. So look at it. Oh wait, okay, there we go. You see, it's like a small twist here, but then this hair right here, then it's braided down. Like the braid stops right here, and the rest is curl.
Since these are pre-looped and they are braided at the root, that's what made it so easy to install versus
Okay.
when you're doing loose curly crochet hair where you gotta have more technique and you gotta be kind of advanced to make it look really cute and natural. But with these, a beginner can do these and it'll look far, okay? I'm gonna always opt for something that's easy to do and beginner friendly because I rather work easy and not hard.
That's how I measure out how, like, where I'm gonna put my hair at. Even if I got a mirror, but if I don't have a mirror, I kind of like put my finger right here, and I can feel it's gonna be a gap, so I kind of like, okay, put it just at the tip of my finger or past the finger, depending on what size they are. And with these, I'm putting these a little bit closer, but I still want a little gap. If you notice, the gap is small that I got in between these. In the back, they're gonna be more spaced out because you don't want it too big, but for the front, I'm just trying to make sure it's full enough. Ooh, put that tight. So y'all see how I'm installing it in the front. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I install the back once I get done with the front. Okay, this is the front. Honestly, I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Like, I'm really not feeling it like that. But we gotta play, we gotta stick to the course. We gotta stick to the course and see how it's gonna turn out. So let's get to the back. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how I'm gonna put in the crochet here in the back. So if you notice, I'm putting them not so close together, just leaving probably like a finger or two gap in between the back. When I get closer to the top, I might put them a tad bit closer, but still the front, if you see how full it is, it's gonna cover that back. So all you do is just push it back, you know, and it covers. Let's get into it. Okay. So this is what it look like when it's done, fresh out. This is 6.5 packs. This is 6.5 packs. This is what it look like fresh out the pack, just installed. This is it. And it's shoulder length. So for me, I love a more deeper side part type of feel. But I also feel like what I'm gonna do is cut some layers in it. So I'm a scared. I'm still gonna go. It should be sliding like butter. That's nice. I'm gonna comb it so I can see where I can do a better job of cutting it. Hey, oh my goodness. Y'all getting the raw, the uncut, okay? How cute. I think I'm done. I don't want to keep cutting it. Maybe right here. No. I'm done. Y'all, I love it. Like, it turned out really cute. Better than what I expected. That's what I say. At first I was like, I don't know, but you gotta stick to the course. Stick to the course. It's really cute. Let me show y'all the back. I plan on never lifting it up unless I'm going to bed, or if I do lift it up and wear it in a ponytail, then I'll have a headband so it can cover that back area pretty well. Ooh. Okay, let me go back to my other side. This side look big. Wait, oh there we go. Okay. Let me turn it back though. Let me turn it back. You know, when you first put them in, however you put them in, they be kind of like stuck that way. Yeah, so that's why it looks bigger, but it'll flatten out. I love it behind my ear. That's just something that I really like, putting it behind the ear. Yeah, I got a pose. I got a pose. Ooh. It was a success. Now I'm gonna come back in a few days and I'm see. I'm gonna let y'all know, give y'all a review on this hair and how it do. I will say, if you didn't get it in between time, in the meantime, I used 6.5 packs. 6.5 packs. I got 3 packs in the front and the rest, that's 4 basically, 1.5 in the back. And what else? I used the color 1B. What else? I'm gonna link the exact hair down in the description box below. And that's it, y'all. I ain't gonna don't worry about my head like this.
This was the day I fell in love with this hair. This hair, I was like, oh my God, I'm still able to come through this hair and it's been 5 days. That says a lot, because y'all know that curly crochet hair can get tangled real bad. But Ocean Wave always do well, honestly. Because it's a looser curl, you can comb through it easily. I really like it shorter. It was giving what it needed to give, honey, okay? I think because I took my time and actually cut it versus the first time I was in a hurry. But It looked like I was in a hurry in the back too. I don't know. Y'all ignore that part. But this is the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel and like, share, and also follow me on social media platforms. Everything is in the description below. Bye.